Today we're diving into a comparison between two popular transcription tools, Fireflies.ai and Otter.ai. Both platforms are invaluable for transcribing meetings, interviews, and lectures, streamlining the process of capturing and organizing spoken content. Throughout this video, we'll explore 5 key variables: features, user experience, pricing structure, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's get going. Let's take a look at these programs' main features. Fireflies AI features include real-time transcription. Fireflies offers real-time transcription during meetings, allowing users to capture spoken content instantly. This feature ensures that users can access accurate transcripts immediately after the conversation, enhancing productivity and collaboration. AI summarization. With Fireflies, users benefit from AI-powered summarization capabilities that automatically condense lengthy transcripts to concise summaries. While Otter.ai also provides summarization features, Firefly's AI capabilities may offer more robust summarization options. Smart integration. Firefly's AI seamlessly integrates with popular collaboration tools like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. This integration enhances workflow efficiency by automatically transcribing and summarizing meetings conducted through these platforms. Smart speaker identification. Firefly's AI employs smart speaker identification technology to differentiate between speakers during meetings accurately. This feature ensures that transcripts are organized and attributed correctly, simplifying post-meeting review and analysis. Otter.ai features include accurate transcription. Otter.ai is known for its close to accurate transcription capabilities while offering users highly precise transcripts of spoken content. While Firefly's AI also provides transcription services, users may find Otter.ai's accuracy particularly noteworthy. Voice meeting support. Otter.ai supports voice meetings, enabling users to capture and transcribe audio recordings of meetings, interviews, and lectures. This feature caters to users who prefer audio-based interactions, expanding Otter.ai's versatility. Speaker name identification. Similar to Firefly's AI, Otter.ai also offers speaker name identification, allowing users to attribute spoken content to specific speakers accurately. This feature enhances transcript clarity and organization, improving overall usability. Edit functionality. Otter.ai provides robust editing capabilities, allowing users to edit text, speakers, and timecodes within transcripts. This functionality offers users greater control over their transcribed content, enabling them to refine transcripts according to their needs. In terms of pricing, Firefly's AI offers a range of plans starting from $10 per month, while Otter.ai provides a free plan with limited features and paid plans starting at $12.99 per month. For teams, Firefly's AI offers custom pricing based on the organization's needs, whereas Otter.ai offers discounted rates for educational institutions. Firefly's AI boasts an intuitive interface with easy-to-use controls and a streamlined setup process. Conversely, Otter.ai offers a more comprehensive set of features, but some users may find its interface slightly complex to navigate initially. Firefly's AI's pros include its real-time transcription, smart speaker identification, and affordable pricing plan. However, it lacks some advanced AI capabilities compared to Otter.ai. On the other hand, Otter.ai's accuracy, speaker identification, and language support are commendable, but may be pricier for some users and has a steeper learning curve. Alternatives to Firefly's AI and Otter.ai include tools like Sonix, Temi, and Rev, which offer unique features and pricing structures tailored to different user needs. Ultimately, the choice between Firefly's AI and Otter.ai depends on your specific requirements. If you prioritize affordability and ease of use, Firefly's AI may be the ideal choice. However, if advanced AI capabilities and accuracy are paramount, Otter.ai emerges as the frontrunner.
Don't forget to sign up for your preferred transcription tool using the links in the description below. Subscribe to EasyInternet for more informative videos, and remember to check out our other content for valuable tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.